This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for AT&T, and this is for November 20th, 2019. All right. So begin here with the three-year monthly chart. So 3 years of monthly data, and right off the bat, we can see that there is a red flag, and it is right here, and that is because we are seeing RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. Now that is similar to this period here, where we also had RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. We come off the highs there. Of course, prices drift lower, as we can see here. So of course that RSI 69.1 rejection is a big deal, and what that means is what we can do is use the recent monthly closing high as the next major buy point if the stock can clear the recent monthly closing high. If we draw the line and draw the line from here, we can see that there is some type of a backtest failure right now. So you couple that with the fact that we have RSI 69.1 rejection. This is telling us that unless we get that breakout above 38.49, chances are this is a long-term, multi-month signal that the next major trend is to the downside. And it also asks a question about the market. If AT&T is pulling back, chances are it is suggesting that the general market is also gonna be leaning towards lower prices. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.